Gem guys, you're welcome to another 9jaCashFlow live trading where we trade the New York session live. As usual, we're going to be looking for setup on gold, Bitcoin, and if we still have time, we'll look at US100. This is not financial advice. You are not obligated to take any of the signals. This is only to build proper execution, proper risk management, and practice. So don't forget, trading is all about probability, and you have to always manage your risk carefully. So having said that, let's dive into the chat. For those that are just joining us, my name is Kendi Lawal, popularly known as Lauke. I'm the founder of 9jaCashFlow, a platform where we simplify trading, investing, and online business. And without further ado, please subscribe and let's get into today's video. This is the BTC chart. This is the BCT chart. Yeah, aside from the daily time frame, BTC has been falling for a while now, and yeah, if you look at the weekly, these are the recent zone. So we're not going to draw zone everywhere and just scatter our chart. These are the recent zones. So we have a zone here. That's when BTC start falling at 82k. Then we have a zone here, and we have a zone here, which could potentially be the next resistance if the price is going to come down. Okay, so coming to the daily time frame, yesterday was bullish, today was bullish as well. This some things you put into consideration. Our entry is usually on the hourly time frame, and we're not going to be taking any trade until probably we see price take the liquidity, and move towards this 65,425, which is also the price point of our moving average. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, let us also look at gold. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So if you look at gold on the weekly time frame, um, these are some of the recent zones. So the all-timer is still there, this is still there, this is there, this is there. These are areas that you keep rejecting. So this is another area that is rejected here up to this point. If it breaks it, then it's coming to this recent low. If you come to the daily time frame, you can see today is bullish, but it's still undecided. And by the way, please let me know what do you think about my chart. Do you think it's good like this, or I should switch to the red and green chart so that you guys can see it well? Okay, is it clearer? Because we are finding it difficult to know uh, the color for today's candle. So um, it's bullish because we see this liquidity sweep at this bottom here. Now it seems it wants to reverse. So if today is bullish, overall trend is bearish because I have been falling. But today is bullish, and people thought we're going to be shorting. We want you to probably take this liquidity here or this liquidity here. So I have to wait for the candle close. Please let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. And I think the Iran-Israel war is also, probably restarting again. Both countries exchanged uh, ballistic missiles, a lot of damages on both sides. We don't pray for war, but the outcome of war, apart from losses of infrastructure, losses of assets, you know, the, the outcome of war is always devastating. But financially too, look at the way oil is now expensive. Look at the way oil is now expensive. And by the way, if you are just joining us, if you head over to our website, which is 9jaCashFlow.com, you can see our daily news aggregate and join us. So if you come to the market scanner, you can see the daily market scanner. You can also see the daily news aggregate. You can also see the Binance market scanner. So let's start with the daily news aggregate. Yeah, these are crypto news for today that I've read. I haven't read anything about the war, but yeah, the war started yesterday midnight. So if I just probably search for Iran, okay, as you can see, it's here already. So number 15 under stock news, we have Iran and Israel exchange strikes threatening fragile ceasefire. So I haven't read it, but this one from CNBC. And okay, so Reuters is also covering it under real estate. So US troops family are just new normal. Okay, so that's the latest news that we have here, and it's already being priced in the news. It's being priced in the news. So there's no high probability trade right now. We all know that whenever we have, look at what happened on Friday. Gold dropped massively, right? And whenever we have a very strong move, the next day, the next 1 or 2 days might not be that trending or strong in terms of price action. So we'll probably have to wait. There are a lot of points that we need to. We might wait for a liquidation here, but then on price movement, we might also need to wait till this point. So there's nothing bad in waiting. We are going to be here for about 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. If we see a valid setup, we take it. But if we don't see, we move on. Okay. So that's basically how it is. One thing I'm also looking at is that today, which is on the Monday, based on the chart that I'm looking at, we might probably see some people taking profit from last week fall, and probably today or tomorrow price will go up, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday price will collapse. So that's also very possible. That's also very possible. Please let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. We are live. possible, please let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. We are live. Our music is not playing. I don't know why. Probably it's under settings. Audio. We also have the market scanner. So we also have the market scanner. We have the market scanner. You can use the market scanner to check for trending markets. And also use it to check for markets that have clear trend. These are trending and momentum markets. They are moving very, very fast. You can also use it to check the zones, support and resistance zones. Okay, so BCH is still bearish today. Among the crypto, is the only one bearish. So we have bullish markets, we have bearish markets. So it's going to give you all the trend for the time frame. It's going to give you next support and resistance. So for BTC, the next resistance is at 64,896. And I think if you check, so basically I do use my scanner to confirm 64,896. So this is 64,896. This is what US is calling the next resistance. So let's see how it goes. I think price will most likely touch there, but my bot calculated its own by itself, and that's like a weekly resistance. We have next support at 62,425. That's daily support. Okay. So for US100, next resistance is 29698. So these are areas that you should just keep an eye on. So while we're waiting for, let's go. Price is even at next resistance. US100. This is US100. Let's go to the daily time frame. So US100 has been bullish. This is actually a good. They have actually been very, very good. Yeah, but we didn't spot it earlier, so saw it this morning, but I didn't look at the chart. So yeah, moving on from then. Most likely it's 30k today. Because it has been very bullish. Just very bullish on as me, I wanted to buy India. I just come and buy. That's the last candle was 2 p.m. I'll buy a stop loss wait for profit, but right now I'll probably just wait. I want it to I need to remove some lines from here. Okay. So probably if price should come here, price should drop to this level, you can buy, set stop loss here. So just have to wait. There's really no setup. Not seen any clear setup. Guys, just focus on it. Let's check the Binance scanner. This was scanned 8:45. It should have scanned. Probably by the boat. So as you can see, it has scanned again 207. So it's usually scan 3 major market sessions. London in the morning, New York in the afternoon, and Asia in the evening. So this was completed 207. So this is probably the only bullish coin that we have. The rest are bearish. Okay, and BCH is bearish. It's better. Bearish on all time. Got some Bitcoin cash in the morning. We are going to be here for just 1 hour, 30 minutes to 2 hours. That will be all. There's really no setup right now. Just have to wait. Okay. We have about an hour left. No real setup. Watching YouTube. The BTC is rejecting this tiny zone here. Today's most likely waiting. Basically, what gold did was to come to as low as this. It's now back high. Gold will most likely come and take it here. Get here, even get here. For bit, let's check our gold.
As this what is 4. So
Let's draw some. That's the next resistance. Let's see if it touches. Where I trade, I also validate what. Check US100. US100 came back down.
oh
And an entry. Else can be here.
that's for you.
We're not going to take this setup. I believe it's glitchy. Guys, we are coming towards the end of this live stream. Just for 2 hours from New York session open. That's 1 p.m. down to 3 p.m. We have about 5 more minutes. Let's check if we have any news coming up. So if we check very well, okay, there's a news that's going to affect pounds in the next 9 hours. So there's really no more news for today, so we can just calculate it. Nothing really is going to happen. Nothing really is going to happen. So leave it. Just end this live stream. Okay, I'm seeing unable to access my microphone. Microphone is accessible. It's accessible. Yeah. About 2 more minutes to go. had uh, a wonderful session. So let's just stop sharing. Okay, guys, thank you very much for coming to today's 9jaCashFlow live stream in New York session. We analyzed gold, Bitcoin, and US100. We're not able to tomorrow. That will be tomorrow, and so that will be tomorrow, and hopefully we are going to see a set of tomorrow. If you have any question, kindly put it down in the comment section below. And until next time, keep learning, my friend. Bye. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's live stream. Bye.